Let's take a look at how to perform a clean upgrade of Neuron on the Linux operating system. The first thing to do is to check the compatibility of the new version with the configuration already in place. We also strongly recommend you carry out a prior backup of the node. To do so, we navigate to the Neuron folder where the bin and config folders are located, and create a backup of each folder using the following commands. In case anything goes wrong during the update, these folders can be restored to return the system to its original condition. Once this is complete, we should stop the service using the following command. Next, extract the new version of the binary files from the installer using the following command. In addition to this, and given that version 1.21 includes a considerable modification when it comes to managing users and roles, upgrading from a previous version will automatically override all the users previously configured for the Web UI and WebVision, which means you will be required to recreate them. In order to ensure compatibility with the new version, the following command needs to be executed. Finally, we restart the service again using the following command, and log in the Web UI to check that everything is running correctly. If Historian is already installed, and the embedded MongoDB database is being used, you will need to take into account that if using Debian 9, CentOS 7, Ubuntu 8, or previous versions of these operating systems, which are not compatible with MongoDB version 4, you will have to manually delete the following file. If Neuron is already installed in OPT, will be found in the following path. By default, to log into Neuron's node, the system will prompt us again to enter our credentials. I will then go ahead and click on the blue login button below. At this point, we are ready to navigate the Neuron Web UI interface and start setting up the communication platform.